Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check with Android version when your phone is running. First of all, go to your settings. I'm finding my settings, and then click on the about phone. Here you can see the version of your Android. If you want to update your version, here you can click this option. Here the update is available which you want to update, and here the scroll down you can see the my phone version, MIU version, my Android version 13 TKQ1.2221. And you can check the Android security update from here. You can also view additional information in the including the security update version. That's how you can quickly check your Android version. Thank you for watching.